Journal entries play a central role in keeping your general ledger accurate. But in NetSuite, managing the approval process can still feel complex. That's where ApprovalMax helps, bringing structure and clarity to journal entry approvals in NetSuite. You can either create journal entry requests directly in ApprovalMax or have them pulled in automatically from NetSuite. In the workflow setup, decide who can create requests. Add those people to the Create in ApprovalMax step so they can see the new request button. For entries pulled from NetSuite, choose a user in the Pulling step. Their name will appear as the creator in ApprovalMax. Build your approval workflow creating steps and adding approvers. Then select Activate the workflow. Let's create a journal entry request. Click New Request, choose Journal Entry, and click Create. Fill in the details like date, currency, memo, and the accounts, making sure your debits and credits are balanced. Once it's ready, click Submit for approval. After it's approved, the journal entry is sent to NetSuite along with the full approval audit trail. For journal entries pulled from NetSuite, ApprovalMax imports them with a pending approval status and runs them through the same workflow. With ApprovalMax, every journal entry goes through a proper approval workflow, so you've always got the records when you need them. Thank you for watching our tutorial.